Did you happen to notice my earrings? Look, the little goldfish in the water, both of them. Do you know how many times I got asked, are those real goldfish? And every time I said, well, yes, they are. I bought them on Wish for $1. They're real fish from Wish. Hi, my friends. It's Z, Zelda, and RJ3. Welcome back. This is a second day in a row. I did actually record a second video last night. I will upload it probably later on today or tomorrow. But I forgot to show one of the packages that I received, and I have a faux. I want to go ahead and get this out because this hand is shutting down again. It lasted one day and it's swelling up. My bracelets are going to come off right now. I have a big lump here again. Before it's completely shut down, let's make this video. First, let's do my opening. Christy, Cook, Teadoddles, Maker Bag of the Month Club. This is for July. I will put Christy's information down below for Teadoddles. It's $20 a month. You get a handmade bag by her. You get some stitch markers, some notions, and a lot of extra goodies. There's a lot more stuff than $20 in here. And I want to thank you, Christy Cook, and I love you. Thank you. So here we go. It should be sealed. It's always sealed. Here's everything that was inside. Okay, so there's like a scroll paper in here. Oh, look. It's little coloring pages. Ooh, pretty. Did you print these out? Thank you. Thank you, Christy. She has the most clever stuff ever. I don't ever see anything like her stuff. Colored pencils. Look at that. Yay! Didn't even read the card first. The theme for July is Deep Dive. Here's all the information. She includes this note every time. And here is the Maker Bag of the Month Club. I'm trying to go through this quickly because I am losing light. I have neighbor's dog barking. I got my dogs barking. I'm getting bit by little ants down here. My hand is hurting. This is against all odds, people. We are working against all odds, but we're gonna do this. Here we go. Oh, I love blue. Have I ever told you guys I love blue? Oh. Oh, here's the little extras. Oh, Big Daddy. Look at the colors. Jiminy crickets. This is called Deep Dive. Here is her tag, Teadoddles. These are perfect. Oh my God, they're so loved in here. You loved making this. Ah, the colors were inspiring you. This is perfect for little socks or a little tiny project. I use them for cake yarns. I put my cake in my project and I put all the cakes in a bigger bag and I can work on my shawls, on my ponchos, anything that I want to make. It's perfect. It keeps the yarn from touching other yarns, from getting tangled, from becoming yarn vomit, which we all hate. Look. Thank you, Christy. I love it. Thank you so much. Here's a little extras. Christy Cook makes everything. She crochets, she knits, she quilts, she does bags, she does stitch markers, she bakes, she's a teacher. I think she's dyed yarn too. I think she tried that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that girl does everything. Oh, look, it's a little jar, and then the jar is hanging the two stitch markers that she made. This is a whale's fin. Oh, and a beautiful seashell. Is that a crab? Oh, I love it. You see the shark fin? These are beautiful. Thank you, Christy. Let's see the tea. Turmeric, chili, matcha, green tea. I've never thought of drinking chili powder in tea, but I'm sure that will help with this flare-up, because anything spicy, black pepper, turmeric, all that anti-inflammatory will help reduce all this. Okay, let's go to our next one finished object, which I'm super excited about. This is the Bag O' Day pattern, crochet mesh poncho. I use the batik swirl yarn that I bought from the UK, from Daramore's. I bought it as a Christmas present for myself, and I used one entire ball. I could have gone one more round, but I would have played yarn chicken and lost. So instead of losing a yarn chicken, I just ended it, and I had about this much of a little ball left. Everybody's deciding to do things today, you know what I'm saying? If I go to the front yard, screeching, the car's swerving, Grandpa barking because he wants to play, I come to the back, somebody's deciding to destroy their backyard. Okay, you ready? I love it. It's perfect. It fits beautifully. The colors are incredible. I've already worn it a couple times, I must say. But let me show you what it looks like, yeah? Here we go, look how beautiful it is. I'll try and stand up a little bit. It fits perfectly. I love it. Like it a lot. It is nice and roomy. It's perfect for the summer, perfect for the winter. Nice cool breeze, super light and airy. Only thing, next time I'm gonna go one chain further down, because to me it is a little bit too close to the neck, and I like my stuff more open. But other than that, Crystal, Bag O' Day Crochet, you did fantastic, of course. Batik Swirl, I love it. Y'all know I love my ponchos, and I'm so happy. And look, we match. So thank you guys for coming back and enjoying my video. I'm so glad you like this. I'm so glad you liked yesterday's video. I hope you enjoy this video as well. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the little like button before you sign off, okay? Thank you guys so much, and I will see you again on another day. Bye. Love you. Look, I'm an angel. Ah.